Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 309. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 4, no help here, 1, 4, 5, and same here, 1, 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 here, so this is our 9, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. No help here. 1, 3, 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, and 5 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 2, 5. 2 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 1. That 1 makes this our 4. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 2, 4, 5. This 1 makes this our 3, 1. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. With this 4, we can get rid of this 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1, 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 5, 1. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so this is our 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. And that 8 makes this our 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.